জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Hail Lourdes. Hail Lourdes Vishalakshi. Please show me the path, Lourdes. Please show me the path.
Nayan! Hey, Dripto, where did Nayan go?
Let it be, Jeet. You let her go. She's gone to the indoor temple. I hope that she gets whatever she wants.
Yes, Dripto. All of us wish the same. We hope that Nayan never has to give up.
I don't know about other things, but I'm certain that Nayan knows how to bring people under her spell very well. She has brought everyone on her side. I wonder how she does this.
Okay, listen, I'll be right back.
Listen to me. Listen to what I have to say.
Please make sure that Nayan returns home safely. Nayan? Mother? Mother, what are you doing here? I came to the Lourdes because I was worried about you. Mother, I'm all right. But why does your face look so pale? It is nothing. It is because I am a bit tired, Mother. That is. Tell me honestly. Have you eaten anything? Has Dripto eaten anything? Oh yes, right. Dripto made me eat forcefully, but I came here without serving him any food. Wait, Mother, let me go and serve. Stop. You need not worry about his health condition. It is because of you that I came to the Lourdes. Now that you have come, I have nothing to worry about. You should wait right here. I will go and serve food to Dripto. Lourdes. Oh, Lourdes. It is because of your instructions that I went there. It is up to you to show me the right path. Please make sure that I'm able to give justice to the old lady. Please help me. Please help me in the process, Lourdes. Oh!
Hey, are you listening? What happened? Are you listening to me? Why aren't you talking to me?
Have you seen my spare spectacles?
Why? But why do you need them?
I have to go out. I have to go to one of my friend's house.
What do you mean? No. You won't go anywhere. First, tell me, why aren't you talking to me nicely? What have I done? How am I at fault?
No, Komu. You are not at fault. It's me who is at fault because I thought that you were different.
Hey, please listen to me. I did not want to say things like that. Trust me, please.
Sorry, Komu. I cannot trust that you didn't want to say things like that. However, it is true that you didn't want me to hear what you said. What can I do? I heard it accidentally. How can I not trust my ears now? Tell me.
Look, please don't get angry and listen to what I want to say.
No, Komu. Whatever you have to say, say it from a distance.
Why? Why should I keep my distance? Why are you doing this to me?
Can't you understand I'm trying to maintain some distance from you? A distance which cannot be bridged in a whole lifetime, 𝐤𝐤. And you spoke the truth. And I quite prefer to hear and tell the truth, 𝐤𝐤. However, this truth, it was a little too difficult for me. This truth will not allow me to be at peace throughout my life. You did not marry me out of love. I will always remember the fact that you married me solely for my wealth, 𝐤𝐤. I will remember this truth all my life.
Jeet, please listen to me. Where are you going? No, you won't go anywhere.
Leave my way, 𝐤𝐤.
No, I won't leave your way. You won't go anywhere.
It would have been much more respectful if you had left my way. You refused to leave my way, for which I'll have to push you. Will that seem good?
Oh. So, will you leave? Fine, you can leave. However, I will shout. I will tell everyone that you are not listening to me. I will tell them that you are leaving the house because you're angry with me. I will start crying. Then everyone will come here. Will you be able to answer everyone? Tell me. What happened? What happened? Why are you laughing? Oh, does that mean you were joking with me all this while?
No, 𝐤𝐤. I was not joking with you, not even a bit. It was my fate that has played with me.
What do you mean?
You have played your cards pretty well, 𝐤𝐤. You have won. Now if everyone comes here and asks me why I'm angry with you, what should I say? Should I say that my wife did not marry me out of love? Instead, she married me for my family's wealth. I will feel very ashamed to say this, 𝐤𝐤. If everyone gets to know this truth, then I won't be able to face anyone because of self-respect. So you need not worry. I am cancelling my plan to go out. I'm going downstairs.
Please listen to me. Listen to what I have to say. Why are you doing this to me?
Can't you understand that I'm trying to maintain some distance from you? A distance which cannot be bridged in a whole lifetime, 𝐤𝐤.
Water? Where is this water coming from? How did the water come in here? How is this water coming in here? Oh no. Oh no, water. What is this? How is this water coming in here? It seems that the water level is rising. How is the water coming into the indoor temple? How is this possible?
Here, take it. Eat something. Take it.
But why did you bother? I would have managed.
Why should I not bother? You are being so thoughtful about my daughter. You are taking so much care of her. But will you not take care of your own health? Here, eat something. I'm standing right here.
Why is this water coming in here? Where is this water coming from? Where is this water coming from? No. There is not supposed to be any water here. Where is it coming from? The water is coming in here. Where is the water coming from in the Indo temple?
Nayan! Nayan! Nayan!
The water level is rising here.
Nayan! Nayan, what happened?
Water! Water! There is water everywhere! How did the water get inside the indoor temple?
Water? Where's water?
Right here! On the floor! Water is flowing in here everywhere! The water level is rising gradually!
Nayan, the floor is dry. Where's the water?
There is water everywhere, Tripto. Is there no water in here? Why is the floor dry? There was water everywhere just a few moments back. Where did all the water go? Trust me, there was water everywhere. The water was flowing in here from all sides. But how did the floor become dry? Water. There was water everywhere.
Nayan? Nayan?
Water.
Nayan? Nayan!
How did I come here?
You came here like a cinema heroine. Dripto picked you up in his arms and brought you here.
Rangana. Nayan? Nayan, are you feeling okay now? Do you feel any pain?
Nayan? Come on. Take it. Here, drink this. It seems that you became sick because of dizziness. Why do you worry so much, Nayan? You have compromised your health because of all the stress. I hope that Lord gives you some good sense. Nayan, have you forgotten that you are going to become a mother? You should not worry much during this period. Here. Take it. Take it. Drink this. Come on.
What is this? How is the water coming in here? It seems that the water level is rising. How is water flowing inside the indoor temple? How is this possible? Why did the dry floor become waterlogged? Why did I see so much water in front of Lotus Vishalakshi? There must be some reason behind it. I'm sure there is some reason behind it.
There's no reason behind it. You should drink some water now. You need not think about all this, okay? You have some water and get some rest.
But
No more ifs and buts, Nan. If you continue to act like this, then Mother will get angry with me again. I've involved you in all this, I know. If you fall sick by continuously worrying about this, then what answer will I give, Mother? Tell me.
That is not an issue. But given her condition, she needs to get some rest.
no, Mother. I will not be able to be at peace in any way. Unless I get to know why Lotus Vishalakshi made me see the water, till then, I will never be able to be at peace. No matter what you people tell me, I won't.
Friend, describe the kind of water you saw. Was it like a sea, river or pond?
Rangana. Nayan, hurry up and drink it. Get some rest. Come on.
Come on, drink it. You need not drink it anymore. Let me tell you something. You should get some rest without thinking about anything else. You do not seem to listen to anything that I say.
Nayan, Yeah, tell me. Yeah. Nayan, I have to attend this call. I'll be right back, okay? Rangana, you please be with her.
Yes, Deepu.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
Hey, friend. Now tell me. What did you see? Until now, Deepu and Aunt made you shut your mouth. Now that they have gone, you can tell me. Come on, tell me. I have the entire incident in my grip. After all, I'm so intelligent. Can I tell you what you saw? You saw a great sea. In that sea, there were giant waves and a speedboat. On that speed, there was Suhasini Devi. That necklace was around her neck and the kidnapper was trying to pull that necklace off her neck. Did you see this? Am I correct? Isn't it correct? Fine, I will make another attempt. You saw a lot of water. Through that water, you saw Suhasini Devi floating in her wheelchair. What? Did I say it correctly this time?
No, you did not say it correctly. Do you think a wheelchair is some kind of a boat that will float on water? However,
what?
I saw water on the wheelchair and I saw water in front of the Lotus as well. I have a strong feeling that these two are connected in some way.
Yes! Hey Nayan, what exactly did you see? What connection can be there between the two? Tell me.
How is water flowing inside the Indo temple? How is this possible? It seems that the water level is rising.
Tell me.
What's happening here, Rangana? Did I not tell you to get some rest? Instead, you are...
Sorry, Deepu. Sorry, I've made a mistake.
You won't say another word, Nayan. Now you should get some rest. Otherwise, I'll let them know that you're no longer involved in all this. Get some rest. Not another word. I'm telling you, you should sleep and get some rest. Nayan, please sleep for a while. Please? Look, your health is not faring well. Please listen to me, get some rest. If they come, I'll call you and wake you up. Come on, get some rest. You saw that I had to attend a call, right? It was about a new deal. Now I'll sit with Piku along with the papers. And you please don't worry about all this. Otherwise, I'll get angry with you. Get some rest, okay? I'm closing the door. Piku, make sure that Mridula's company handles the decor of the new Malaysian hotel, okay?
But Dripto, they are amateurs. Instead, how about...
What's the problem if they are new? We need to give opportunities to the new players as well. They have an urgency and passion to establish themselves. Give the work to them, okay?
You are correct, Dripto. Let's finalize this.
Hey! Where are you going?
No, actually, I was on my way to take some milk for Nayan.
Did Nayan ask for the milk? Did I ask you to take this? Then why are you going?
Dripto, actually she's trying to replace you as Nayan's assistant, I fear. No, you see her politics. She's using the milk as a leverage.
Hey, don't talk rubbish. I am not trying to do anything
Keep
like
quiet,
that.
Rangana. Why were you trying to sneak in slyly, tell me? It's because you didn't want me to see, right? Piku, what should I do? Tell me. Do I need to look after these kids now? One is sleeping, and the other one is quietly on her way to gossip. What should I do?
Deepu, if not today, someday you will have to babysit kids. What is the problem if you practice it now?
Okay, this is enough. You need not cover up anymore. You can have your milk. I'll go and see what Nayan is up to. Piku, keep an eye on her.
How is water flowing inside the Indo temple? How is this possible? Lotus Vishalakshi, I hope I understand whatever it is that you are trying to tell me. I hope that I'm able to find the right path. I hope that I'm able to provide justice to that helpless lady. I hope that I'm able to do justice to her. I hope that I'm able to do justice, Lotus.